Vocabulary Quiz 6.4. Read each question and circle the correct answer. Be sure to pause the video after each question so you can circle your response. Number 1. When she discovered what Nelson had done, the teacher blanked that he write a letter apologizing for his rude behavior. Converted, required, retired, reverted. Number 2. The news filled Marco with blank sadness, and he began to cry. Intense, pedestrian, bland, sparse. Number 3. Many people blank from work when they are 65. Navigate, require, convert, retire. Number 4. Rosa thought the soup she made was delicious. I didn't have the heart to tell her that it was actually quite blank. Bland, intense, sparse, navigated. Number 5. Emmanuel and his sister blank to acting like babies when they don't get their way. Retire, sparse, revert, navigate. Number 6. What would help someone navigate? A hairbrush, a clock, a map, a calculator. Number 7. Which of the following is an example of the word convert? Solar panels changing the sun's energy into electricity. The sun shining on a fall day. Eating celery but not lettuce. Never believing in ghosts. Number 8. Which of the following is an example of the word alternate or alternate? A food that has no taste. A person finding her way through a crowd. Brothers taking turns sitting in the front seat. Needing to pass a test to become a lifeguard. Number 9. A yard with sparse grass would be completely covered in grass, have very little grass, have very boring grass, have very bright grass. Number 10. What does a pedestrian use for transportation? A car, a train, a bike, her feet.